Simplify the complex fraction. In our numerator, we have 1 over a minus 1 over b. In the denominator, a over b minus b over a. Now, we're going to simplify this by multiplying through both the numerator and denominator with what we would call a lowest common denominator of all of these minor fractions. What do we mean by minor fractions are this 1 over a, the 1 over b, the a over b, and the b over a. So as we look at these denominators, we see factor a and b. So our lowest common denominator of each of these minor fractions is ab. So let's take this complex fraction, and we're going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by ab. And I'm going to write that as ab over 1, just so I can keep things straight. So we'll take that ab over 1 times our original numerator, 1 over a minus 1 over b. And we'll take ab over 1 times our original denominator, which is a over b minus b over a. Now let's multiply. I'm going to cancel common factors as I do that. ab times 1 over a. The a's cancel, leaving b. Minus sign. ab times this 1 over b. The b's cancel, leaving a. Down in the denominator, similarly, ab times a over b, or b is going to cancel, leaving a times a, or a squared. We've got another minus sign in the middle. With our last product, the a cancels, leaving b times b, or b squared. So we've taken a step and we've gotten rid of the complexity of the problem, the minor fractions. Now let's simplify. This denominator is a difference of squares, and it's going to factor as a plus b times a minus b. Now focus in on the numerator, which is b minus a. That's the opposite of a minus b. So let's rewrite this numerator by factoring a negative sign out of it so that we can see it in an a minus b form. Notice, the negative of a is a negative a, and the opposite of negative b is a positive b. So we've got a correctly factored form of that numerator. And this is going to allow us to see our common factors and cancel them out. So our reduced form is negative 1 over a plus b. We might also write that with this negative sign out in front as the negative of 1 over a plus b.